Hello, how to install WordPress in the FastPanel in the create site and just click the CMS based website. So here like my main website. Okay, so when you click here, so then just click generate master and next this is the WordPress website. So no, it's just click here next step. This is the done. So this website is done. So when you come site down and just click install, and this is the WordPress website install done. So when you click here, as this is not my subdomain, so not works as this is not subdomain, you will have temporary website. Click here, you can see this is the website we have made. This is our subdomain website. So when you click here, this is the system easily handle you from the FastPanel. Thank you.